Glory with the PBA Press. Coach, congrats on the win. You were able to maintain your posture in the end. Let's talk about yung final push ninyo in order to take this win.
Um, well, I have to give credit again to the players for responding to my challenges, to my challenge in today's game. Challenge ko talaga sila that we're really playing a great team, a very well coached team, very systematic team. You know, I should know because I always play against this team in the playoffs. I know how it takes. I know how I know how they play in the playoffs. You know, with the vets that they have right now. No? So have to give credit to the players. But again, we haven't achieved anything, no, with this win. We just extended our lives. No? Nagkaroon pa kami ng extra buhay and we'll take this. No? And despite of our win, we had a lot of lapses. No, we have a lot of now. We still had 17 turnovers. No, that we cannot afford to give Meralco. I know I know them really well. No, that they're gonna come back really strong. They're gonna come back with a lot of energy, with a lot of with their coach. Actually, they're gonna adjust. No, so but again, just like what I've said last game, I know my players. I trust them and I believe in them. That I know that they're gonna be ready again. No, they're gonna be ready again. So we'll take this win. But no time to celebrate. Just uh, just focus on the next game right away.
Pero inabot, fourth straight win nyo na
Mm.
since tracing natin sa eliminations. Kung gusto mo yung ganitong momentum and ganito sa Silver.
Knock on wood, no? Baka mabate. um, no, again, just like what we talk about all the time, lagi namin pinag-uusapan that, we just have to continue to gain momentum, no? And going to the playoffs, we had momentum, and now we're twice to beat, and then now we're gonna play a do or die game again. Actually, the past 3 games or 4 games, we've been playing do or die games already. Diba? We just have to continue to do the things that we need to do and really prepare well. No? Really prepare well for the next game. We just have one. We have one game to only one game to play. Yun lang. One game to play on Saturday. Yeah, one game to play on Saturday. We don't worry about what's gonna happen the next day. Basta ang worry lang namin is a game on Saturday. That's it.
Iyan, definitely sa mga better performances ko sila. Paano lang goes to yung ganitong form, parang nare-remain mo na pakita natin yung laro.
Uh, una, no, syempre, playoffs na to. And I'm not focusing sa offense ko kasi kailangan ko talaga magtrabaho sa defense. Kailangan kong ipakita kung ano yung dapat kong gawin sa loob ng court. Yung offense na nangyari kanina, ano na lang sa akin yun. Libre na lang sa akin, hindi ko iniintindi yun. Basta gagawin ko yung trabaho ko sa loob, kung ano yung ipapagawa ni coach. And yung offense, kinakalimutan ko na yun eh. Dumarating na lang. So, good thing, nagawa ko yung trabaho kanina as a depensa.
Kung shooting ninyo, shooting nyo 50%.
Mm.
67% complete ang yung sa offensive ninyo. Although you're defensively, but offensively,
Yeah, but we had 12 missed free throws. So parang nag-even out lang, 'di ba? So again, the players are really focused right now, no? They've been working hard for the past months, no? The extra shooting nila. So I think nagpe-pay off lang talaga yung mga ginagawa nilang trabaho sa practice, no? I told them naman, once you continue to work hard, may kasabihan niya, the harder you work, the luckier you can get. Diba? So, because they work really hard, I mean, kahit pa paano nakakahalo rin ng swerte yun. Diba? So, I mean, I hope, no, and I hope that we do more next game on Saturday, because again, what we did today is not gonna be good enough for us to win on Saturday. I always remind my players like that. Thank you. See you.